And as you can see there, the cutoff line is right in line with the tape. So she should be money.
Destination Bigfoot Bronco. Destination Bigfoot Bronco. Big kicks, big drops, let's go, go, go.
What's up, everybody? It's Shane with Destination Bigfoot Bronco, and today we are at Bigfoot's playground, and we're going to be doing a little lighting adjustment on our form headlights. As you can see here, if you check in my earlier videos, I did an install where there was a little issue with hazing and crazing on the headlights from form. They sent me replacements, and so being that I have a lift on Bigfoot, I need to do some adjusting to the headlights. The other evening I was driving down the road and had a few people flash their headlights at me. So I need to go ahead and get those adjusted, and I'll show you the exact steps that you need to do to get that done. Let's go. Okay, first step, we're gonna come over here to the wall and measure 25 feet. So we'll take our tape line, measure 25 feet out. Okay. So we got our 25 feet. I've already backed up Bigfoot, and it's pretty much in line with my headlights here. And I put a little piece of tape down to mark that, so that'll give you a better line as you're going to do your headlight adjustments. So next we'll just go over here and measure from the ground up to the center of the headlights. Okay, next we're going to come over here to our headlights, and we're going to measure from the ground up, make sure the Bronco is good and level. There's a little center dot in here that'll kind of give you the actual center line of your headlight beam. Looks like I am right at 48 inches from the ground to the center. So we're gonna go over to the wall and put that line onto the wall. Okay, next we're gonna come over to our wall and we're gonna put a mark right at the 48-inch mark. And then I'm gonna come over here to the other side and give another mark so I make sure both sides of the headlights are adjusted equally. 48 inches. And then I'm just gonna put one right over here in the center. Then we're gonna grab a piece of tape, put that tape right in line with our mark. Then we'll come over here to our other mark, put that tape right on line again. Okay, next, rule of thumb, usually any vehicle 39 inches or above, you want to come down 3 inches from that mark that you made from the center of your headlight. So I had 48 inches originally that I marked off with tape here. And then what we'll do is we'll come down 3 inches from that, which is pretty much the width of my tape here. So now I know that the bottom of this line here will be where I need to make the sharp cutoff line on my headlights level 2 on both. So that should be 45 inches from the floor up. And we'll double check that. And yep, right on the money. So now you can see we got our tape lined up here. Now we're gonna come over to the headlights. What I'm gonna do is turn off the switch here on the wall for the interior lighting. Turn on the headlights and we'll see where we're at. So as you can see here, this is the sharp cutoff line here, and this is your step up. You always want to make sure that you measure up to this cutoff line here and not the step up. So I need to have this line here down towards the bottom of my tape and I should be good. Next we'll pop the hood. So next we'll come over and on my headlights, you can see it right there, that little white adjuster right there. That's what we need to adjust to get the headlights to go up or down. All right, so I've got my wrench set up here and we're gonna bring it down by turning it clockwise to get it down. So that should be good right there on the passenger side. Then we'll come over to the driver's side, do the exact same thing. Rotating clockwise. And that should be good there. And as you can see there, The cutoff line is right in line with the tape. So she should be money. So hopefully this helped you out. These headlights have been nothing but great. I had that one issue with the hazing and crazing of the lenses, but they sent me a replacement immediately. I'll leave a link to the video where it shows me replacing and swapping those out. And hopefully this helped you out. And if you like what you saw, leave a comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one. Remember, when one road ends, the next destination begins. Peace.